How to get a reference to current module's attributes in Python. What I'm trying to do would look like this in the command line. How can I get a reference to all the names defined in MyModule from within MyModule itself? Something like this.
Just use globals. Globals return a dictionary representing the current global symbol table. This is always the dictionary of the current module. Inside a function or method, this is the module where it is defined, not the module from which it is called. This URL. As previously mentioned, globals gives you a dictionary as opposed to dir, which gives you a list of the names defined in the module. The way I typically see this done is like this.
It might be late to answer, but I didn't found the correct answer for myself. The most closest and precise solution, faster than inspect.stack and the Python 3.7.x. Pros. Preciser than globals method. Does not depend on the stack intermediate frames, which can be added, for example, via hooking or by the third-party tools like PyTest. Can handle Python piped or interactive session. Cons. A kind of much precise and can return modules registered in an executable like for the pytest.exe, which might not what you want. Inspect.get module still may return none on valid modules depending on hooking. I have an extension to the Python. How to import a module given the full path. The extension having wrapper functions for that case. You have to just initialize the extension properly.
It's a watch out. Please consider liking and subscribing.